Hello, welcome back to Shabes online tutorial. Our topic of today's lesson is Introduction to Algebraic and Transcendental Function. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel and also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Shabes online tutorial. So what do we mean by algebraic and transcendental equation? So if you are given a polynomial f of x which is equal to a naught x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus a3 x to the power of n minus 3 and so on. So this polynomial, this is what we call an algebraic function. F of x is given as this, where a naught is just the coefficient of x in this polynomial. So let us see the example of an algebraic function or algebraic equation. So example. So if you are given a function or a polynomial 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus x plus 10 is equal to 0. So this is example of what? An algebraic equation. But if you are given a function f of x is equal to 4x squared plus 2x plus 10, this is called what? An algebraic function. So this implies an algebraic equation, and this is an algebraic function. So let us go to transcendental function. So transcendental function. Function or equation. So we're going to look at two examples of transcendental function or equation. Is any equation that contain what? That contain logarithm, exponential, or a trigonometric function. Is any equation that contain what? Logarithm. Then number two, exponential function. Then number three is what? Trigonometric function. Then logarithm function. So any equation that contains logarithmic function, exponential function, and trigonometric function is said to be what? Transcendental function. Now let us look at example of transcendental function or equation. So example, if you are given a function, for instance, f of x is equal to what? X exponential 3x. So because of this function that contains exponential is an example of what? Transcendental function. So if you are given an equation x cubed plus exponential 0 then plus sine 3x. If you look at this equation, sine 3x is equal to 0. So if you look at this equation, it contains exponential function, it contains trigonometric function. So this equation is said to be what? Transcendental equation. So this is an example of what? Transcendental function because of this f of x, and this is transcendental equation. And so this is the differences between what? Between an algebraic equation or function and transcendental function or equation. So here are the example of an algebraic equation, and this is algebraic function, and also transcendental function or equation. We say that any equation that contains an exponential function, logarithm function, and trigonometric function is said to be transcendental function or equation. And here are the example. So this is what I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and please follow and subscribe for more. Thanks.